Lisa knows how it feels to be so exhausted no matter how much sleep you get. She literally fell asleep at a Minnesota Twins baseball game. Her doctors could not find a problem and dismissed her, encouraging her to see a therapist because of their inability to find the cause. Can you believe that? This is all too common. And if you've experienced this, you're not alone and you're not crazy. There is hope and there's a solution. So please keep listening. It wasn't until Lisa learned about nutrition and cells and how they work that she realized she was dying on a cellular level. She felt like she was living life in a black and white world. It wasn't until she found the valuable nutritional guidance and hair analysis testing that she uses today that she was able to heal and start living life in full color. It's what led her down a path as a nutritional specialist and has enabled her and her clients to restore balance and reignite their energy and joy for life. As a former personal trainer turned desk jockey, I can relate to Lisa's story and how she helps her clients. I've trained countless of clients who have felt this exact same way, and I wish I would have known her back then when I was training. Being a woman entering her 40s and getting ready to start a family for the first time, I know stress, changing nutritional habits, age, and toxicity are taking their toll. I admit I am feeling some compounding effects and they aren't pretty, and it's scary. I know I must do something and get my health back on track. I need to get to the root of my body's unique needs to find great health and energy. That's why it's been such an immense relief that my best friend recommended that I check out and connect with Lisa Ruffholm. I'm so glad I did. So how did I get started? I downloaded the 17 tips and journal and took advantage of her bonus phone call. And I took the free 5-day challenge. I was so impressed with Lisa and her knowledge and resources and her accountability. I'm a firm believer in testing instead of guessing. And I'm looking forward to really moving forward with her and getting my body and energy ready for my next chapter. God knows I'm going to need it. So take the step to get your energy back like I did and click the link below.